9:20 now. I'm gonna try and get there for 9:30. Try and get some nice shots, some nice food, some early morning breakfast, fried fish, lobster, shrimp. So yeah, I am heading to Hellshire. Follow me on my journey and let's check it out. I know Hellshire hasn't been what it used to be back in the day. It has changed quite a lot. So yeah man, let's see what one. Alright my people. So this is where we have our food at Eon's. Welcome to Eon. This is the sign. Yeah, this is where we get our food. Yeah, priority. And you might need a teeny one. Teeny. Yeah. So this is the fish. You get to choose the fish that you want.
No, I want a crab. No, to the lobster.
So I'm here at Hellshire with Keisha.
Profit Jump Starter, baby.
Yes. Check out her page. She's on Instagram, YouTube. That's it.
And Twitter.
And
Facebook.
And
Profit
Facebook.
Jump Starter. Make sure you're following us.
Right. So if you want to know anything about money, she's the person we need to check out. She's good at investment strategies. She can take you from 0 to $1 million.
Real quick.
The legitimate way too. So yeah, so I'm here at Hellshire. This is it. This is the view. This is it here. I mean, Hellshire is not what it used to be. It's not wow anymore.
But the food is good. The food's gonna be good. That's why we're here.
The food is good, so that's why we're here. So we're just checking it out. Places that you go to eat. There's a driveway here. Not what it used to be.
A little local taxi, BEV.
Yeah, I know, right?
Sauce. Onion and pepper. Yeah. That's it.
This is the lobster and the fish is coming. It's a beach sauce and the fish is here. Nice.
Oh, no. Yeah, you can.
Festival. So let's get a nice picture here. Festival, bami, fish, lobster, red stripe light. So this is the fish. I have the lobster here. Festival. And that's all this is here. Of course, I have the sorrel beer, my favorite. It is so good. I'll just try a fish. Escovitch sauce. Makes a difference. Try a little piece of the lobster here. Tasting a lot of the garlic, it's nice. Well flavored. So guys, I finished my meal. Look at it. All gone. It was good. Trust me, really, really good. I really enjoyed it. Really good. Really, really nice. So make sure you come to Ian.